Welcome. In this video, we will discuss how we can use conditional formatting to highlight cells based on their values. First, we will use conditional formatting to highlight an entire row based on the data in column I. So the first thing is to highlight the entire row. Now, if you wanted to just highlight the cell itself in column I, you would just select that cell. But because we want to highlight the entire row, we will do that first, then add our rule for the conditional formatting. So we will go to New Rule, and we will use a formula for our conditional formatting. So here we will say if the value in column I is less than 5. So if that statement is true, so if the value in I is less than 5, we want to fill that entire row with the color red. Now let's go back. So once we've added that conditional formatting, we will go back and manage the rules. So here, not only do we want it to apply to row 2, we want to apply that down to row 38, which is the entire data set. And we will hit apply and OK. And there you have it. So if the value in column I for any row between rows 2 and row 38, if it is less than 5, it will highlight the entire row in red. So if we were to change this to 1, the cell will be highlighted. As I mentioned, you can highlight the entire row or just the cell itself. So now we will go and clear rules. We will clear all rules and we will add. So now we will only highlight the cell itself. So we will add a new rule again with a formula. So if I2 is greater than 800, let's highlight the font itself in red, and we will make it bold and with a strike through. Let's hit OK. So now let's go back and manage our rules. So here, I5 through I, so you can actually do that through I38 and hit apply and hit OK. Now we have two values that meets our criteria. So any value that's over 800 will be, the text will be in, or the font will be in red, bold with a strike through. And looking at our data, there's only 2. So if I were to change this to 1000, it would also change the font to red, bold with a strike through. So that's how we use conditional formatting to highlight a cell, row, or a column based on the value in a specific cell. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, leave a comment. We appreciate your support. Link to our Cash App is below.